Hello everyone. The title of our project is Shoe Disinfector Using UV Light. This project comes under the domain of Embedded System and VLSI. Let me give you a clear insight of what the project is all about. The idea behind the project was to deal with the current situation. Last few years were difficult for each one of us in terms of mental, physical and social health. But the only thing that kept us going was looking after ourselves using all the safety measures. Everything from facials to gloves was taken care of but the shoes. Whereas the study shows that the maximum contamination of bacteria and funguses happens through a shoe. And this is where the UV light comes into picture. The problem statement of our project. We developed a system which will disinfect the shoe sole from the bacteria and viruses while not harming the human body so that we can enter our class and labs safely. While disinfecting the shoe, we are also recording the data of the student who has disinfected his or her shoe. This is a block diagram of our project, which consists of Arduino, which is basically a CPU for other components. RC522 is used to read the data from the tag and mark the attendance. Relay acts as a switch to manage UV. IR sensors are used to detect if a person is standing on the mark. Metal touch sensors see if a person is wearing a shoe or not. LCDs are used to display credential of person standing and time required to sterilize. I2C initiates a communication between Arduino and LCD display. Let's move ahead and put some light on flowchart. There are two conditions that needs to be followed in order to move ahead with disinfection. If either of the condition fails, sterilization process will not begin and system will go back to the initial state. First condition is RFID validation. If not, it will display invalid ID. Second condition is about standing on the mark wearing a shoe or not. If a person is not wearing a shoe, system will give warning message as stand on mark. As we have discussed about the conditions, let's understand with video representation of it. First is the ideal condition. In ideal condition, everything works fine and the details of a person standing like name, roll number and class is displayed. Now, the second condition is invalid condition. If we use invalid tag, this condition occurs. As you can see, the RFID tag with a cross mark is an invalid ID card. The third condition is not standing on the mark. This condition is initialized by IR sensor if person is not standing on the mark. Working. This is last but not the least condition, which is a barefoot condition. What if the person is barefoot? As we know that UVCs are harmful to bare body and should not be exposed directly. To avoid any such risk, we have used metal touch sensor which prevents direct exposure of UV. From above mentioned details, you must have got an idea of what the project is all about. Let's discuss some future scope now. Tags can be embedded inside ID cards for scanning. To avoid dirt on the surface, vacuum mat can be used. We can also use the image processing to identify if the person is wearing a shoe or not. We can create a more futuristic model. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.